Guys, so jumping right into the video, I love to use the Aussie 3-minute deep conditioner moisturizer, and this stuff that I thought was shampoo for a long time, and I just read it today and realized it was body wash. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is take the body wash and wash the hair. I can't believe I thought this was shampoo. I was using all my real hair and all my wigs and everything, and I just realized it's body wash. Anyway, I'm gonna wash the hair with this. I'm just gonna make sure I thoroughly wash it and comb it through. You guys are gonna see me doing a lot of just combing. I like to comb out all my wigs no matter what the texture, but especially for curly hair, I don't want to deep condition it and still have knots in it. So I just like to comb out the hair thoroughly and make sure that there's nothing, you know, stopping this hair from being to its full potential. So basically I switch between just combing it with this small brush and with a wide tooth comb, and I just keep doing this over and over again. Then after that, I apply the deep conditioner, and I actually love this deep conditioner. I use this on my real hair on every single one of my wigs. When I get them for like a co-wash type of things, I don't necessarily like to just wash my hair. Sometimes it does more bad than good, but I just use this deep conditioner on all my wigs, and I swear it just makes it just so silky and so nice, and it just gives the hair like the extra pop that I want. So yeah, I'm gonna put this conditioner onto my hair. After that, I'm gonna just keep brushing it out, doing whatever, and then I'm gonna put it in a plastic bag, and I'm gonna let this sit in a bag for about an hour. Sometimes I let the bag sit in like a boiling hot bath of water, like putting the bag in the water just so it can have like the heat to it. But this hair is actually really good. The texture is really nice. It doesn't even need that much maintenance to it, so I didn't do the most. I honestly just put it in a bag after I put the conditioner on and let it sit for about an hour. After that, I just proceeded to cut more of my baby hairs and lay it down with some foam. I believe it is the ORS set wrap mousse foam. Yeah, you guys will see it later, but basically just lay down the wig and everything just to make sure it's really nice and, you know, cute looking. And that's basically all I do to just maintain my curly wigs and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys continue to watch the video, and I'll talk to you guys at the end.
after I did this whole reviving process. The hair is actually really pretty. Like, it really is. This is the hair kind of dried. I let it just sit there and dry for a little bit, but this is a natural wave hair, and I have in like 24 something inches. I think the closure is 20. Either way, it's natural wave hair. You guys can see how pretty and defined it is. Like, it's just so nice. Yeah, that's basically it. This whole reviving process, which is really quick. The whole thing took me about maybe an hour. Most of the time was just letting the hair sit there, because this hair is a wet textured type of hair where you have to wet it and you wear it that way instead of trying to blow dry and all this. The whole process was an hour. Most of the time was letting the hair marinate in the deep conditioner. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys like this, and I hope you guys love the hair. Like I said, I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.